big fan shit though. Hold on. Did. You did. Come on now. Look, he late. I'm supposed to be there at 6. I'm gonna get there at like 7, but y'all gonna see. You dig? Alright, man. We like 5 minutes away from Brody crib. I'm just finna do the goddamn speed limit 35. I gotta make sure I don't get no ticket. Got a red light. I'll do a little pull. You dig? Have to keep it the speed limit though. Quick 50 ball. Hopefully the boys don't get behind me. Yes, sir. My nigga shit go crazy. Do a little stop. Yeah. My nigga Gabe pulled up and then motherfucker. That orange shit. My shit dirty as fuck. What the fuck? I couldn't even look. I couldn't even get the chrome delete. We end up, my shit different from his because he did his own car, but my shit got the shit on the top. He couldn't figure out how to get that shit to stick, so we still rocking the chrome for now. Yo, got my nigga Gabe in this bit. That nigga got the shit that pop. Feel? No cap. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Little point of view shit. Yeah. Carbon fiber on that bit, don't play. See, he did his shit. See how he did his shit. I'll try to get my shit.
Hey, so what we doing today?
Man, you feel me? Just like some little point of view shit. Nothing too crazy right around the city. See, we would race right now if it was dry. Niggas could do a pool. Niggas could line it up, hunt 3 times. No cap though. We can't even do it. This shit sound good as hell though. Look at that shit. Oh, this shit popping crazy. Good. That boy shit sound good. Exhaust coming soon, man. You know we coming crazy. And then, like I said, I got an LED steering wheel coming that's even crazier. So, point of view video is gonna look good for sure. Damn, that boy just got sideways. Hey, that nigga Gage just got sideways as fuck. What the hell? Hey, this nigga just went crazy. This nigga Gaten, to see, he know how to drift for real though. Oh, I really need to record this nigga. Instead of recording the street. His ass going crazy. Yeah. Hopefully y'all seen that shit. This nigga was getting sideways as fuck though. See, that's why I need the GoPro so I don't miss shit like that for nothing. Cause I might have damn near missed that shit. Man, I don't got no traction right now. Every time I hit the gas, that shit was losing traction. Where that nigga be going crazy. Let's see how he gonna act out the gate. He probably gonna turn up out the gate though. Knowing his ass probably gonna turn up out the gate though. Hey, should I try to spin that shit? Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to turn it off. I'm gonna try a little something, you feel me? Huh? Nah, that's enough. Yeah, I'm gonna just do some chill shit. Alright. Alright, man.
Nigga about to sweet that bit.
On now. Alright, man. Let's see what I got. I don't got no experience though. But at
First. Yeah, that's gonna give you your most torque. Feel me? Go ahead.
do you switch gears when you doing it or just
Stay in the first. There it is. You just got to get used to like the feeling of it.
Like, I don't want to go too crazy.
There you go. Spin that bit. There you about had that shit.
Just a little bit.
You about had that
Let me
shit.
try it again. Ready?
Oh shit. He done got off the gas. Oh, wait. Your ass got off the gas. I thought you gonna need that car, nigga. I'm like, what the fuck?
I just don't want to keep spinning and shit, not knowing I really don't know how this shit.
Hey, how that shit operate for you?
Yeah, bro.
Shit, record me real quick.
I got you. I'm about to park my shit up.
All right.
That boy, yes, sir, skate. Bro, what you ready to get out of it? Fuck it, we out of it. It's a POV. Fuck, we gotta get about this hoe. Oh God. We've been here for like maybe 5-10 minutes now. Time to go. We don't know shit.
Hey, we gotta get a thumbnail. You wanna go back to a gas station or some shit?
Yeah, we can. Not hit the gas hard in the rain, bro. That shit is not gonna gain no traction. That shit just took off. I'm surprised that shit had traction. But yeah, my arm is in fucking pain right now, man. I'm holding this fucking phone up. Look at this nigga. Alright, man. We finna get a thumbnail and shit. And then wrap this motherfucker up, dog. Yeah. Big body fan member, I used to be Dusty. I'm a Gabe. We coming crazy throughout the whole city. Hey, all next year, nigga. Straight point of view videos, straight car videos, straight turn shit, man.
Damn,